Welcome to Campus Recreation. UTC Campus Recreation offers inclusive programs and facilities to help our Mocs community connect, play, and pursue holistic wellness. Campus Recreation's programs take place across our campus. The Aquatic and Recreation Center, commonly called the ARC, is the central hub for campus recreation. Here you'll find fitness, climbing, aquatics, and a variety of sports. Across the street is Mcclelland Gym. Mac Gym is home to many of our clubs, special events, and athletic teams, including wrestling and volleyball. UTC's sports complex hosts special events and programs such as Friday Night Lights, club practice, intramural sports, varsity beach volleyball, and soccer matches. You'll find grass and turf fields and sand volleyball courts just minutes from the heart of campus. Historic Engle Stadium is adjacent to the sports complex and is home to club baseball practice, intramural softball, and more. Campus Rec's waterfront facility includes 2 barges and a dock along the Tennessee River. This facility is frequently used by our rowing club and UTC outdoors programs. Our newest addition is a state-of-the-art esports gaming room in the University Center.
What can you do in all of these spaces? UTC Outdoors features climbing and bouldering areas, equipment and bike rentals, trips and exciting adventures. From climbing and caving, biking to kayaking, stand-up paddleboarding, we have all the equipment, clinics, and trips to help you explore. If fitness is your goal, we've got you covered. The ARC includes cardio, free weights, functional training, an indoor track, and various fitness machines. Need some extra help in your fitness journey? Check out our personal training and special clinics. UTC group fitness classes include bar, Zumba, yoga, body combat, body pump, and cycling. Would you rather be in the water? Our pool features lap swim lanes, a lazy river, water basketball, water volleyball, a spa, and a 2-story water slide. Aquatic programs include pool parties, lifeguard classes, water fitness, swim instruction, and log rolling. If sports is where you fit in, we offer 3 levels of engagement: pickup games, intramurals, and club sports. Intramurals offer competition on campus in a variety of team and individual sports, including archery tag, flag football, soccer, kickball, tennis, spike ball, and volleyball. Or if you want to take it up a notch with club sports intercollegiate competition, we offer over 20 competitive sport clubs that represent UTC. Continue a sport you love or try a new sport such as bass anglers, fencing, lacrosse, rugby, sailing, table tennis, ultimate frisbee, or wakeboarding. Esports has taken off at UTC. Join over 200 Mocs in our weekly tournaments. We play over 25 games on multiple platforms through intramural sports. Our competitive esports club currently features Call of Duty and is expanding into new games every year.
Looking for an on-campus job or work-study position? Campus Recreation is a great place to work. Get certified as a lifeguard, personal trainer, or group fitness instructor. Become a referee or outdoor trip leader, develop new skills, make a difference, learn to be a leader. Join the Campus Recreation team today.
Campus Recreation connects our campus and has a space for all students to belong. Whatever you like to do, we have a place for you. We look forward to seeing you soon.